Cherries. Cherries are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can prevent uric acid crystallization in the joints. They can also lower the risk of gout and cardiovascular disease. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help dissolve uric acid and flush it out of the body. It can also improve blood sugar and cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Oats. Oats are a good source of soluble fiber, which can bind to uric acid and eliminate it through the urine. Oats can also lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. Cucumber. Cucumber is another diuretic food that can help flush out uric acid and toxins from the body. It can also hydrate the body and provide vitamins and minerals. Banana. Banana is a low-purine fruit that can help balance the pH level of the blood and prevent uric acid formation. It can also provide potassium, which can lower blood pressure and prevent kidney stones. Lemon. Lemon is a citrus fruit that can provide vitamin C, which can help break down and excrete uric acid from the body. It can also alkalize the blood and prevent uric acid crystallization. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that can provide curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that can lower uric acid levels and prevent gout. It can also improve insulin function and protect the heart and blood vessels. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is another spice that can lower uric acid levels and prevent oxidative stress. It can also enhance glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity, and reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels.